Hey, it's Mike here with AutoAnything.com. Today we're going to take a closer look at StopTech brake kits. StopTech really did a great job with their brake kits. They offer a combination that consistently stops quickly and quietly. Firstly, they offer two different pad types, a street or a sport. Now their street pads are formulated for a spirited daily driver, and their sport pads are a bit more aggressive. They're made for aggressive daily driving, light track use, or even towing. Another cool feature here is their brake pads are formulated for your specific vehicle. This means you're going to get the best quality of braking as well as the best pedal feel. StopTech also offers three different rotor types. You can get a cross-drilled, a slotted, or a cross-drilled and slotted rotor. Another benefit to StopTech are their kits come complete, meaning they provide the hardware when needed, and they're built to exceed OE spec, meaning perfect machining and no modifications are required to your vehicle. Get yours here today at AutoAnything.com.